Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to clean this Mickey Mouse popcorn machine out. And I know I already did a review on it, but this time I just want to show you guys how to clean it. Alright, as you know, the measuring cups, or should I say, the measuring cup and the tablespoon can go in the dishwasher or the sink. Heck, even the tray. What I normally do is I try to get the little piece of the popcorn out of there. As you heard in the background there, that's me just tapping a little bits of popcorn out. Okay, now on to the cleaning part of this. As you can see, there's a little bit of popcorn that came out during the popping. I'm just gonna pick those up and I'm gonna have to throw them out. It's important to, of course, clean anything after use. Of course, I know you have to wait until things cool down. Alright, I'm just gathering this piece of popcorn here. And I'm going to throw these away too. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a tea towel that I have with just soap and dish soap only on it. I'm just going to clean the bottom of this. The reason why I'm cleaning this, you don't want bugs to get in there or anything, so it's important to clean it. And I'm just cleaning up the door here. Alright, let me show you guys something. Of course, some of you know that this comes off. Hard for me to do with one hand, but I'll get it. Let me put you guys down. I usually take this part out so I can clean it. There we go. It should come out easily now. Yep, there we go. Alright, so I can clean the sides and the back. As you know, oil does get over the place, so that it's really important, as I said before, is to clean it. I don't use any sprays. I don't use what you use for the counter. To me, I just use dish soap because I think it's more safer for a machine that heats up food and stuff. So make it a little bit safe. Of course, I would clean the top too. I'm just checking. I'm sure everything gets clean. Now, when it comes to the towel, you just don't want it soaking wet. You just need it enough so it would be kind of like damp. Alright, here we go. This is what I do. I take another tea towel, just wipe the thing that is used to make the popcorn. If you guys have any ideas how to clean your Mickey Mouse popcorn machine, please let me know in the comments below. And of course, I would just check for popcorn, and sometimes popcorn will get stuck right underneath here or right here. What I would use a really thin butter knife, and of course the popcorn just comes right out. So I'm just going to clean this up. I clean both sides of this flat thing right here. You have to. And I clean up on the inside of this. And make sure I get pieces of popcorn out of there as well. Please, again, share your cleaning tips with me, how you clean your Mickey Mouse popcorn machine. And of course, when I do clean this part, I always have a clean tea towel underneath it. So it will help to catch pieces of popcorn. And I just check it over again to make sure I got everything. Of course, I do clean this. Reason why I clean it by hand, because you know of this. And this can't go in the dishwasher or the sink. So I clean it by hand. I know it's a pain in the butt to do it, but it's got to be done. And of course I check it over to make sure I get pieces of popcorn out of there. I check both sides, middle, and everything looks good. Normally I would just leave it like that so it could dry. And of course the tray, as I showed you guys earlier, this could go in the dishwasher or the sink. I'm just going to put it in the dishwasher, as well as the tablespoon and the measuring cup. All right. There you go, guys. All clean and ready for the next use. All right. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. All right. Take care, guys. Bye. Love you all. Sorry about that.